Hello everybody, welcome to my show. This is Yousef. Today I'm going to show you a new dish as Persian. It's a Kuku Kadoo, and there is this one. It could be as an appetizer or just main, or you can make a sandwich out of it, and it's going to be very delicious if you make it the right way. And the main ingredients on this one is going to be kadoo or zucchini, or they call it Mexican squash. And also we need some eggs, which is 1 egg for each kadoo, which is 6 of them, and a little bit of saffron, and 2 tablespoons of the flour, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, half a teaspoon red chili, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt, little bit of oil, and 2 onions, which I'm going to show you how to slice these and what to make it. We're going to peel this zucchini, which already I did most of them, and I show you with this little tool. It thinly slice them, and like this, and cut both end, and then after you finish with them, then slice it the way that I do it, and then we saute those in a pan. And also at the same time I'm going to saute the onion in a different pan together. After we finish that, let them cool down, and then I show you how to mix the rest of the ingredients together. This is a vegetarian dish, which so many people they ask me, and there is no meat involved. And again, as I said, it's going to be really delicious, and if you make it, as I said, the right way, I guarantee you it's going to be a part of your regular table food. Most of the people they grind this, but I rather to slice it, because you can see what you're eating, and that makes a difference. So I like this way. Okay, I like to slice the onion rather than chop them, because this way also is going to be in the food, and it shows ingredients, and also when it's caramelized, it comes the taste of the onion and adds the flavor to it. I'm gonna saute both onion and zucchini in 2 different pans at the same time to save some times. And after they are done, as I said, you have to wait till it get cold and then mix the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going on a pan and just pour this into it. As you see, the onion is caramelized and is a beautiful color. So this is the time that I'm gonna add turmeric to this one and saute a little bit more, and the rest of the spices goes with the mixture of eggs. So that's the only thing that I just put in this one right now, and saute it a little bit more with the turmeric, and then we turn this off and let it get cold and mix them with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, all my zucchini is all done, and it's been colored and nicely sauteed. So I'm gonna wait also till it gets cool and then mix the rest of the ingredients together. So we're gonna wait for maybe another 10-15 minutes and come back. Okay, our zucchini and the onion are cooled off, and the time to mix the eggs with the spices, and I show you after that how to mix with the zucchini, all those things. So I'm gonna beat the eggs and add all the spices. Okay, and also I'm gonna add the flour to this and beat it a little bit more. And it's a time to add a little bit of saffron to it. Okay, it's better to put the flour just a little by little, otherwise you're gonna get some lumps in there, and to avoid that, just put a little by little flour in there. So my mixture is almost ready, so I'm gonna go to the zucchini and pan to show you how to add this to it. Okay, if you come with me, right here I already using the same pan that I used the zucchini, so there are some oil left over, so we're going to save that also. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add just a spoon, a little bit of this mixture on the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to add all the zucchinis, not all of them, but just to cover the bottom of it. Then on the top of it, I'm gonna put some of the onion that I saute already, and then I put the rest of the zucchini, and I just gonna drop the rest of the liquid to it. Yeah, I'm gonna add the onion right now, and the rest of the zucchini on the top of this. It kind of artwork on this one. It's a little bit just a work involved, and you have to be patient and do it the right way. Otherwise you could add the whole thing together too. It doesn't matter, but I want to be everything to be in a partially right ratio when you cook, so you have everything in every piece. So that's what I'm doing, like this. Okay, now it's almost done with this part, and gonna add the rest of the egg mixture on the top and turn on the heat. Okay, it's a good idea to put the lid on right now and let it cook about maybe 15 minutes or so. We're gonna come back and see how it's doing. Then I have to turn that upside down. So I show you when is the time. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, and seems it's been done the bottom side. So I'm gonna cut and turn it around to cook the top of it. Making looks like a piece of pie. It's too big. I don't want to take a chance to just flip it. Okay, so I rather to do it this way. Okay, we wait in about 10 minutes that to the other side to be done, and this is what it happened. You know, we just made it, and I just put it here and garnish it with a little bit of the greens. And as you see, I prepare some bread that you can eat it with a pita bread, a sangak, or make a nice sandwich and with a tomato and pickle, some onion, whatever you like to put in a sandwich, you can do that. Put piece of it in your sandwich and eat it just without anything, just itself. And also sabzi khordan, which is a herbs, green herbs, and I ate it already. It's delicious, and I hope that you like it. And thank you for watching. Till next time that I come with a new food. See you all. Thank you very much. Bye now.